Hey everyone, Morgan here. So today I'm going to show you that you don't actually have to eat freeze-dried food the way that it tells you to eat it, as in you have to eat it with boiling water. A lot of people have freeze-dried food like the Mountain House and such, in their cars and things where it might be difficult to boil water. Or, maybe you're just out camping on a really hot day, you want something to eat, but you don't necessarily want to boil water or even like a hot meal. Did you know you can eat this raw? This is the pepper steak. This is the pepper steak raw. Yep. Eating it straight out of the bag. Now, there's a lot of seasonings and things, and it's going to get dry real fast. I would highly suggest rehydrating these. Now, rehydrating this without boiling water is actually going to take twice as long. Instead of it taking 8 to 9 minutes, it's going to take about 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put the water in. This is the same amount of water that it says to rehydrate with boiling water. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And I'm going to mix it up. It's not boiling water, it is just room temperature water. You could use cold water. It doesn't matter. The water. Okay, now it's all hydrated. You see that? But we're going to wait about 20 minutes for it to fully rehydrate back up. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. And it's definitely reconstituted. Actually, this reconstituted really well. And it is 100 degrees out here, and I am so glad that this is not boiling water in here. But I used just room temperature water, and you have to imagine 100 degree room temperature water is, pretty warm out here. So this is already a nice, really warm meal. It's not boiling hot. I don't have to wait any bit. I just eat it. I love it. I thought the rice was going to be hard because I've done this before without boiling water, and it's not hard at all. Now, so this is a really good option for any freeze-dried. You can eat freeze-dried without even adding any water to it. You do not need boiling water. Boiling water just takes half the time. You can just use lukewarm water that you have in your vehicle, for instance. A lot of flies. I gotta close this up. For instance, if you keep this in your car emergency bag or in your bug out bag or your go bag or whatever, you do not need boiling water. All you need is just any type of water. You will need the exact amount of water that it says, but just any kind of water. Cold water. It could be straight cold water. Just know that it will take twice as long. So if it says it'll take 8 to 9 minutes, it'll take anywhere from 18 to 20 minutes. But I usually like to make it a nice even number. You can do this same process with dehydrated food. You can actually eat dehydrated food straight, or you can reconstitute it with cold water. You do not need boiling water. Of course, for some people, the boiling water is going to make it taste a lot better. Like if you have cold water and you put it in here, it's going to be a cold meal. Flies are outrageous right now. So anyway, I want you guys to keep this in mind. It's really hard to kind of do this kind of review, on camera. But I want you guys to actually try this out for yourself. The next time you're out, just use a regular bottle of water. Don't even boil it. Just put it in. It will be twice as long, like I said. But if you're willing to wait an extra 10 minutes for food, it's not that big a deal. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know about that option. You don't always need boiling water. Boiling water not required with freeze-dried or dehydrated food. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Dirty Face Kid Rogue approved. What do you think? And Baby Rogue approved. You like it? Mmm.